Welcome to the Tenergy channel, where we talk about all things power. In today's video, we'll answer some of the most commonly asked questions about Tenergy's 60-watt solar panels. So let's get started. How much power can the Tenergy 60-watt solar panel generate? The Tenergy solar panel can generate up to 60 watts under ideal laboratory conditions. During normal, everyday conditions, most users will not see 60 watts of power production. This is because the sunlight that reaches the solar panel will vary throughout the day and is affected by factors like cloud cover, haze, and the angle at which the sun's rays reach the Earth's surface. The measurement of the solar panel's output can vary depending on the device used. Take Tenergy's T320 portable power station as an example. It has a maximum input value of 45 watts, which means it can't accept more power than that. Even if the solar panel generates more than 45 watts, the T320 can only handle up to that limit, and any excess power will be lost. How long will it take to charge my device or battery using this solar panel? There is no easy way to provide a definitive answer to this question. The time it takes to charge your device or battery depends on many factors, such as solar panel output, device's input, sunlight intensity, time of the day, shading, and the battery's state of charge. For a rough estimate, use the following charge time formula. Estimated charging time equals to battery capacity divided by the accepted solar panel output. For the battery's capacity, it can be found on the product's description or manual. I'll use this T320 again as an example. Its capacity is 300 watt-hours. For the solar panel output, it can generate up to 60 watts under ideal laboratory conditions. However, as mentioned in previous question, there are many factors that affect this value. So to get an accurate estimate, we'll use what's shown on the T320 power station display. The current input is 46 watts, so the estimate charge time to charge this T320 from 0 to 100% is 300 watt-hours divided by 46 watts equals to 6.5 hours. A reminder that this is just the estimated charge time. The actual time is usually longer because the 46 watts input can change as weather conditions varies throughout the day. For this video, we're showing the power generated at noon, which is when the sun is at its highest position and the solar panel can generate the most power. As the sun moves lower, the angle of light hitting the solar panel will be different, so the energy generated will be less. What can I do to maximize the solar panel outputs? There are a few steps you can follow to maximize the solar panel outputs. The first step is to position the panel in a location where it can receive direct sunlight for the majority of the day. Avoid shading from trees, buildings, or other obstructions that can block sunlight. It's because these panels are connected in series, so even partial shading from those objects can significantly reduce the panel's output. The next step is to adjust the solar panel's angle throughout the day so that it is facing the sun directly. And bonus tip is to regularly wipe down the panels to keep it free from dust, dirt, or debris. Regularly wiping the panels with a damp cloth helps the panels stay clean, and this will allow more light to hit the solar cells. An important thing to note is that sometimes the limitation is on the device receiving the power from the solar panel. If that's the case, following the tips we suggested above won't help increase the solar panel's output. Be sure to check the receiving device's specifications. Confirm how much power it can accept from different power sources. There's a misconception that choosing a bigger, more power-generating solar panel will mean the receiving device will recharge faster. That's not entirely true. It's possible the receiving device will have a max input that's lower than the solar panel's output, so make sure the solar panel you choose delivers power close to it. Can I leave the solar panel outdoor all year round? It is not recommended to leave the solar panel outdoors all year round, particularly in the rain. Although the panel has an IPX4 weather-resistant rating, which can endure light water splashes, the output hub is not waterproof. Leaving the solar panel outside all year can cause damage to the output hub and the unit if the output hub is exposed to heavy rain. To keep the panel functioning optimally and extend its lifespan, it's recommended to clean off any dirt or debris using a damp cloth and store it away at the end of the day or when not in use. Does this hold power or charge so I can use it to charge my devices during the night? No, the solar panel does not have the ability to hold power like a battery. Its purpose is to convert sunlight into electricity and deliver it in real time to a device or battery. If you want to use solar energy to charge your devices at night or when sunlight is not available, you will need to use a battery power bank or a portable power station. What are the included connectors? The package comes with a range of connectors that allow you to connect the solar panel to various devices. The connectors include one 9.8 feet cable with DC 5.5 by 2.1 millimeters connectors, one DC 7909, one 11 millimeter slim tip, one DC 6514, one DC 6530, one DC 5525, one DC 5521, one DC 5530, one DC 5517, and lastly, one DC 4017. Can I chain multiple solar panels together? No, this solar panel is not designed to be chained with other solar panels. Attempting to do so could damage the panel and potentially create a safety hazard, such as overheating, electrical fires, or electrocution. Can I get the power if I only use the two panels? No, if you only use two panels, you won't be able to obtain any power output. This solar panel requires all four panels to function properly. We highly recommend using all four panels together in order to maximize the output efficiency and ensure the proper functioning of the solar panel system. Can I use the DC and USB ports to charge my devices at the same time? Yes, you can. The solar panel will distribute the incoming solar power between the ports to charge your devices, including phones and portable power stations, simultaneously. However, keep in mind that the charging speed may be reduced when charging multiple devices at once. Is it okay to charge my devices such as phone or laptop directly using solar panel? Charging your devices directly using a solar panel is generally okay as long as the solar panel can produce the right voltage and current rating for your devices. This particular solar panel has USB-A and USB-C ports that output 5 volts, which is sufficient to charge devices such as phones and small electronics. However, for devices with higher power requirements like laptops, charging them directly from the solar panel is not recommended. Laptops typically require a voltage input of around 19 volts to charge, which is not provided by this solar panel. Additionally, laptops need a stable and consistent power supply to prevent damage to the battery and other components. Solar panels may not always provide a consistent power output, especially in changing weather conditions or shading. To charge laptops or other high-power devices, it's best to use a portable power station or power bank that can handle the device's power requirements. You can then charge the portable power station using the solar panel. This way, you can still benefit from solar power while ensuring the safe and efficient charging of your devices. I hope that this answers your questions about the Tenergy 60-watt solar panels. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.